You notice I've been using octaves. You don't have to use octaves, especially if your hands are much smaller and you can't really reach nicely. So I can just use single notes as well. See what I did with the left hand there? I used my D as a passing note to get to the E. So instead of doing anything in the right hand, I did it in the left hand. So there's just a different variation of doing it. Okay, let's try something else, but with the same chords. See what I did there? Instead of going to the F up here, I went to the F down here. So instead of playing the A up here, I played the A down there. And it gives it a totally different sound. Another way you can do it is you can do thousands of things with that. Say I play this chord progression twice. And what did I do there? I still use the C chord, but in a different inversion. So instead of going C, E, G, I went E, G, and C. Okay. Also, I used part of the C major scale to get to a different octave. I hope that wasn't too complicated, but it's just to show you that with 4 chords, what you can do.